Hey there friends, thanks for checking in. Here's a Sig P365. Many people want to see side-by-side comparisons with other handguns in the same class. So we have a whole bunch of double stack subcompact guns out here. We are going to compare the side-by-side size with this gun along with the weight. Here are the guns that we are going to compare. Alright, I'm not going to read them all off, but we'll first start out with this gun right here. Here's the P365. We are going to compare the size and weight with other guns. So let's start out with the unloaded weight. All these have been safety checked and are unloaded. And there we have 18 3/4 ounces. So we'll go ahead and put that 18 3/4 ounces. Let's start out with the Glock 26. Let's just get this out of the way. Here we have the Sig and the Glock. We'll take a look at the barrel length. Okay, shorter with the Sig. And of course the Glock grip is much wider. Both hold 10 rounds. Put this on the scale, unloaded. 21 3/4 ounces. All right. So we have 3 ounces lighter with the Sig. Here we have Ruger American Compact. All right, you can see there. We'll take a look. Big difference with the slide length and pretty big difference with the grip length. This does hold 12 rounds though. I'm gonna put that on the scale, and that's 21 1/4 ounces. I'm sorry, what did I say? 28 1/4 ounces. All right, so that's quite a bit heavier. 1/4 ounce. All right, now we'll look at the FNS 9C. All right, it's kind of tough. I'm shuffling around all these, but here you go. Also holds 12 rounds. Sig holds 10. And we can see that it's about 3/4 of an inch longer with the FNS and quite a bit wider and longer with the FNS. Already mentioned, holds 2 more additional rounds. 23 3/8 ounces is the unloaded weight. All right. We're going to measure all these up and then do a show at the end. Now here we have an HK P30 SK. Alright, all these are pretty popular guns. People want to see the difference, and that's about the same slide length, about 3/4 of an inch. Very similar in width. Both hold 10 rounds, and the unloaded weight is 24 7/8 ounces. Alright, so now let's do the Walther Ppq Subcompact. This gun was a big hit when it first came out, still is. People love the PPQ, and they did a good job with the Subcompact, no question about that. But there's about 1 inch longer with the slide length. And then the grip length is about the same, a little bit wider with the PPQ SC. We'll put the unloaded weight here on the scale, and that is weighing in at 21 3/8 ounces. So about 3 ounces heavier. And there we go with the Walther. Now let's get the Taurus PT111. This one also holds 12 rounds. And not a great difference at all with the slide length, and the grip length is just a little bit longer with the Taurus, but that holds 12 rounds. So we don't see a great difference there. Let's see the weight. 21 5/8. So it's right there, close to the Glock 26. These are all very popular guns. Many people requested this. Here we have a Steyr Sd 9. A lot of people that don't know much about Steyr the reason is they're not readily available. You know, you don't see them everywhere, but they are nice guns. They're kind of wide in the slide. And there you go. 10 rounds in the Steyr. It's a bit heavier. You can just feel it. Yeah, 26 and 1/8 ounce. Now we're going to get a couple single stacks here. What do we say? 26 and 1/8. All right, so another one that was heavily requested is the Car PM9. So here we have the PM9, one of Car's smallest 9mm. Actually, it is Car's smallest 9mm. Holds 6 rounds, holds 10 rounds, and we'll see this one's going to be shorter, all right, about 1/2 inch or so. And then the grip is thinner and about the same length, a little bit shorter with the Car. But we put the PM9 on the scale, and that's weighing in at an even 17 ounces. So we knew that one would be lighter. But now let's do the Mmp Shield and check out the weight with that. And this would also be similar to a Glock 26. So I have a Glock 26. I didn't bring it out because you're looking at approximately the same size and weight with the Mmp Shield. And a little bit longer with the slide. And there you go, 7 rounds in the Shield, a little bit longer, a little bit thinner as well. The unloaded weight, 20.5 ounces. And we'll do one more, just to be fair. What do we say, 20 and 1/2. And then I also want to bring out my personal carry gun, and that is the Car P9. All right, so this is larger than the PM9, so I don't want to, you know, just bring out the PM9 as its shortest, and just a hair longer with the Car. All right, and then the grip a little bit longer with the Car. Holds 7 rounds. The unloaded weight is 18 and 7/8, so approximately the same as the Sig P365. What's that? 18 and 3/4. All right, so we'll get this out of the way and take a look at the results. The P365, 18 and 3/4 weight. Without going down and reading all of these, you can see that the only guns on the table that are lighter than the Sig are the 2 Cars, and that's about it. So the P365, Sig did a great job making it a light gun, a gun that many people are interested in, and it does compare well with many other models. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.